controversy on the inclusion of RSS leader or demagogue Hedgewar's speech in Class 10 textbook rages on. Karnataka Education Minister V.C. Nagesh has assured that the chapter on Bhagat Singh shall not be dropped from the textbooks. He also clarified that Hedgewar's speech shall be part of additional reading material. The minister faced a lot of flack after Congress leader D.K. Shivakumar said that the government was planning to remove Bhagat Singh and Mahatma Gandhi from textbooks. And to speak more on this, I am joined by Captain Ganesh Karnik, who is the spokesperson for the BJP in Karnataka, and also Braj Kishore Gupta, who is an educationist and chief mentor, Giant Step, Bangalore, Karnataka. Let me go to Braj Kishoreji, and we are now connected with Braj Kishoreji. Braj Kishoreji, do you think that this speech of Hedgewar, which is of course being touted as, not touted, why am I saying that, which is now additional reading material, an organization which was banned, I was asking Captain Karnik, in 1949, and then it was also later banned, and then we see that it is not even a political organization, it calls itself a socio-cultural organization. What is your opening comment about adding Dr. K.V. Hedgewar's speech as additional matter?
At the outset, we must understand, as an academician, let us remain open to ideas and possibility. We are talking about the curriculum, and curriculum certainly cannot be the issue that politicians should be debating upon. Even the inclusion of a particular chapter was based on the recommendation of an academician. So, to begin with, we must not have prejudice against a person, against an individual. Yes, when we include a particular chapter, what we must look into, will it have positive impact on society? And when we talk about positive impact, we have to understand that India has a secular democratic country, number one. We have a mosaic culture. But does that give you and me the right to have a prejudiced approach against a person? Certainly not.
I totally endorse what Honorable Braj Kishoreji mentioned about it. More than the person, it is the content. And looking into the content adds its impact on the society. These are the things educationists should consider in continuous upgradation of the syllabus.
Right.
I totally agree with him.
Braj Kishoreji, let me ask you a question before I wrap up this discussion. Braj Kishoreji, when you have the speech of Dr. Hedgewar, I'm sure we are living in the age of internet. The children will Google. मैं सिर्फ उस बात पे चर्चा करने जा रही हूँ कि अगर जेल जाना वगैरह एंड ड्यूरिंग द फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल एब्सोल्युटली इट वाज पार्ट ऑफ इट, बट ऑल्सो हिज लाइफ एज अ स्टूडेंट रेवोल्यूशनरी, यू नो. तो अगर भगत सिंह सही है तो ये भी सही है, लेकिन किस तरह का इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा यंग माइंड्स पे?
Well, let us, as I said at the outset, we must take something as a whole. Say, for example, Nelson Mandela went to jail many a times, but the objective for which he fought was very benign. And therefore, we have to see as a whole, number one. And number two, which is very important, I'm highlighting that. Let us not see the person. Let us discuss the particular story which has been included, because it is the story which will have impact on the children, not the person as a whole. Yes, person becomes important, but more important is the creation, the writing. And जिसको नहीं निज गौरव तथा निज देश का अभिमान है, वह नर नहीं नर पशु निरा है और मृतक समान है. To have a pride about the society, to have a pride about the nation,
but you know, our society also teaches us to debate, and I think it was a good debate. Let me thank you, Braj Kishore, for joining me on this broadcast. Thank you indeed.